Guys, so I figured I might as well record me cooking because that's what we're doing right now. My freezer, don't look at my freezer, it's a mess.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
You guys, so I figured I might as well record me cooking because that's what we're doing right now. Alright, so we're basically gonna make a crock pot recipe here. And I'm going to show you guys what I put in it. So it's the au jus. I just put in this, it's not crock pot, Instant Pot. I put in the chuck roast, I think, or it's like an oven roast. I'm gonna put on some gravy. It's the au jus. Packet of ranch, like that. I don't even know what I'm making with this because I don't have any other ingredients. I wanted to make like mac and cheese and stuff, but stick of butter. That. We're gonna take pepperoncini peppers. 3/4 cups of water. Okay, guys. Okay, and that's it. Y'all, so this is like a typical Sunday in my house. Got groceries from Target. Got hot chocolate, honey, grape jelly for the baby, and for everybody else that wants peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. And some Good and Gather black pepper. This is gonna be like a Sunday reset video, I guess, because I have to clean up. Just got home from Target and the house is not like terrible, but it's just not as clean as I want it to be. So I'm just gonna clean this area, and I need to also wash clothes. So I'm gonna do that pretty much. So yeah, this is what I'm looking like right now. I'm gonna set you guys down somewhere. Watch me clean. This is what the house looks like. So I'm making a roast. I wish I had macaroni and cheese, but I do not. This is my tripod. This is the one I've been using. I have this stuff here, popcorn from the baby. I gotta throw this away. There's stuff over here. Just gotta straighten up this area. This is my cocoa bar for you guys. It's kind of like messy right now. If I throw this stuff out, I gotta put this in the freezer. This is like cream soda, but it's not really soda. But these away. And yeah, resetting my Sunday. My freezer, don't look at my freezer, it's a mess. That's what I'm gonna do now. Then I'm gonna relax, I guess, for a little bit, and I think later on I might decorate the tree. So I'm trying to push videos out, but I don't feel like pushing them all at once. Like, I do want to do another video. I do have to do my nails. I don't know if I want to do my nails right now or in general, but yeah, I'm like going through a weird phase where I feel weird about doing certain stuff. I don't know. All right, so I will talk to you guys later. Let me start doing why are you doing this? I really don't know. I don't like that at all. It's like not focusing on me. It's being weird. Okay, so I just made this holiday drink just now, guys, and I will make one for you guys. I'll show you how I did it. I just used this sprinkle mix here. This eggnog from Maker's Mark. This is adult eggnog, and to put the rim, I just got some honey. It's upside down, but that's how I'm gonna hold it, and that's what it looks like. So I'm about to drink it now. See what it tastes like. The rim is already good. That's good, y'all. That's good. Ooh. That's good. That's good. All right. I'll come back later when I'm cleaning up. finished cleaning the kitchen. I'll give you guys an overview of what that looks like. This is what the counters are looking like right now. I just have my candle burning. This is, if you saw my candle haul video, this is my vanilla balsam that's burning right now. The countertops are clean. This is my food I just made, which is the roast. Looks like there's a spoon in there. And mashed potatoes, which I hope are good because I don't know. This is my pot that I'm gonna do like a simmer pot. Right now it has nuts in it. I gotta take those out. My husband put that in there. This is the countertop where the coffees are. Pretty much coffee with the syrup and everything else here. I don't know what this is. I think this is Jonathan's or somebody's bacon, egg, and cheese. This, I have like this much soda left and I gotta figure out what to do with it. Either drink it or throw it away. This is the clean countertops now. I just got a new sponge because my sponge was looking rough. These are the soaps that I use. We always have this up here. Gain. This is, I don't know, Purell. And then my Myers hand soap. That's what my sink looks like, all clean. This is the back area, like what the back area looks like. And I just put the gingerbread man there. I don't know what else to do with him, so that's what this looking like. Jonathan has bubbles in there randomly. I don't know why. So for the most part, everything in the kitchen is clean. See you guys later.